3-in-1 at talagang magulo rayon dito ngayon dahil nasa mall show kami. At kasama namin dito si Kiefer Rivera. Kiefer Ravena. No harm, no foul.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin every now and then, diba? Kiefer, alam ko naman na hindi mo aaminin o hindi mo sasagutin kung tatanungin ko sa'yo kung si Jasmine ba ang dahilan ng breakup ng ex-girlfriend mo. Kaya iba na lang ang itatanong ko sa'yo. Ngayon na break na kayo, ano yung possibility na ligawan mo si Jasmine?
Well, ngayon I'm really focused na sa basketball.
Diyos!
Sports na sagot.
Since it's my last year na, so that's my really focus.
Speaking of volleyball, kasi maraming mga fans, maraming mga netizens na inaasar si Kiefer kay Eliza Valdez, my idol. So, may possibility ba na maging kayo or ligawan?
Well, kasi kami ni Eliza, people really don't know na we've been friends since first year college. So, mga 5 years ago, kakilala, we've been going out as friends talaga. So, and then ngayon, we're very fortunate enough to have work together. So, yun pa lang naman siguro.
How are you? Sa no harm, no foul.
It's been great. It's been a good opportunity for me to venture out. This first time really on TV. We like to tape talaga episode per episode. It's been fun.
Do you see yourself as an actor, like doing another project?
Well, I don't know. Probably after the season, let's see. No,
Like a dramatic role, why not?
Time soap opera,
Medyo yung comedy, medyo hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa natatawa ako minsan.
Thank you so much, Kiefer!